Hello everyone, Shravan Mantri here. Welcome to our channel CSC Gurus. Here we are solving the HackerRank problems. In the algorithm, the subdomain is warm-up. So we have solved the questions up to 7. We are going to the next one, mini-max sum. We will see this question. If you are not able to get the link, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out. The question is mini-max sum. Here it is asking directly in a given positive integers, only 5 elements, you have to find minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing up exactly 4 out of 5 integers. If you take this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you must make the sum of all the elements except the smallest element and also except the largest element. If you consider here the largest element is 9, if you ignore, the remaining 4 element sum is 16. And if you ignore the smallest element, the remaining sum is 24. So that if you ignore the largest element, you will get the sum which is the minimum value. And if you ignore the smallest element, you will get the sum which is a maximum value, you can get it. So among all these elements, which element if you ignore, so that you will get the minimum value, which you can say the largest element. So you can see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is 16. And here 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9, which is 24. So you have to print 16 and 24. So the answer concludes that the 16 is the smallest sum you can get by taking any 4 elements. 24 is the largest sum that you can get by taking any 4 elements. If you consider this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the smallest valued sum of 4 elements, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. And largest value is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 14. And here it actually the elements in this test case it is given as sorted order, but there is no need of like in the test cases it will be in the sorted order. If it is a sorted order, our answer is simple, like we will ignore the first element, so that maximum sum, we will ignore the last element, it will be the minimum sum. But here it's not given like that. So the logic is simple. First we need to print the smallest sum. How to get the smallest sum? We just have to subtract with the largest number. First anyway get the sum of all the elements in the array. Now once you get the sum, subtract with the largest element, maximum element in the array, so that you will get smallest sum. And in order to get the second answer, from the sum just subtract with the minimum element, so that you will get the maximum value. That's it. These two things has to be done. The answer will be over. These two numbers has to be printed side by side. So print two space separated long integers. So here the thing is, it must be a long integer. It might go beyond the integer. When you write the code in a languages, you must care about the data types. We will try to write the code in Python. Here we can make it in a simple one-line statement. First get the sum of all the elements. How to get sum of all the elements? You can get sum of all the elements by directly using a method called as sum in Python, sum of ARR. And I told you get the maximum. How to get the maximum? Directly available a method, max of ARR. So you will get a value, the first value, comma, in order to print with the space. Again whatever the sum of ARR, and subtract with minimum of all the elements. How to get the minimum? There is a method called as min. Now you should not return anything, you should simply print. So that's why I have written here as print. So it's a one line answer, you can make it. And also here it is in the question, it is given about long integer. That's not a problem. If you write a code in Python, you can get the answer even if it is a very long number. In integer in Python, it absolutely accepts. So let us see the output here. Run the code. Yes, test case is passed. Even you can submit the code. All the given 14 test cases are passed. Even you can see a big numbers here in the test case 11, which are very large numbers. Still we got the correct answer. So that's what you can do. That flexibility we have in Python, you can make it simply. We have all methods available. How to get the sum of all the elements using sum method, how to get the maximum, how to get the minimum. You can directly write it. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos which is of 5 MCQs each video, Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see the next one, birthday cake candles, in the next video lecture. Thank you.